Introduction to Linux Basic Commands. Linux Lab, Day 1. A group of students sits in front of computers, ready to learn about Linux basic commands, ready to begin. Welcome, everyone, to our Linux command line tutorial. Today, we'll be learning some essential commands that will help you navigate and interact with the Linux operating system. Let's dive right in. Now we proceed to explain each command, providing a brief description and example usage. The first command we'll cover is ls. It stands for list and is used to display the contents of a directory. Command ls. Description: lists the files and directories in the current directory. Example: ls. Next, we have cd, which stands for change directory. It allows you to navigate through different directories. Command cd directory. Description: changes the current directory to the specified directory. Example: cd documents. To create a new directory, we use the mkdir command. Command mkdir directory. Description: creates a new directory with the given name. Example: mkdir new_directory. To create an empty file, we use the touch command. Command touch file name. Description: creates a new file with the given name. Example: touch new_file.txt. To copy files or directories, we have the cp command. Command cp source destination. Description: copies the source file or directory to the specified destination. Example: cp file.txt, home, user, documents. Moving or renaming files and directories is done using the mv command. Command mv source destination. Description: moves or renames the source file or directory to the specified destination. Example: mv file.txt/home/user/documents/new_file.txt. To remove files, we have the room command. Command room file. Description: removes the specified file. Example: room old_file.txt. Deleting directories is done using the rmdir command. Command rmdir directory. Description: removes the specified directory if it is empty. Example: rmdir empty_directory. However, if you want to remove directories along with their contents, use the room command with the r option. Command room r directory. Description: removes the specified directory and its contents. Example: room r directory_to_delete. Lastly, we have the man command, which provides a manual or documentation for other commands. Command man command. Description: displays the manual or documentation for the specified command. Example: man ls. And that concludes our introduction to basic Linux commands. Remember, practice is key to mastering the command line. Feel free to explore and experiment with these commands in your own time. The students start practicing the commands on their computers. Thanks for watching.